Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to switch your Outlook to dark mode on a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. As you can see on screen, we have the basic light appearance. However, in this tutorial, we want to switch to dark mode. Let's now go to the top right corner, settings, click on the cogwheel, then go to general, go to appearance. As you can see, we have three appearance modes that we can switch to. We can leave it to light, go to dark, or use the system setting, which is as of now light, but we want to switch to dark mode. Click on dark mode. Let's now click on save. Our system has now switched to dark mode, which is great for when working in the dark. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.